was that? Oh my God, you just assaulted, what was that?
What are you doing?
You just assaulted someone. Ma'am, what is that? I've never seen a cop just attack someone.
Do you ever see any signs out here for y'all to be doing this crap?
There's nothing that says we can't.
No skateboarding.
We didn't know that.
Charleston, where you guys from?
We're from Mount Pleasant.
Dear citizens of the free world, today we release this message to bring something to your notice that has been going on for quite some time. Police brutality. Police brutality is not something new but has seemingly increased over the past few months. This is one of the phases that leads to a police state. They want you to get used to it so that slowly you won't think it's wrong. But that's not the American way. This is the land of the brave and home of the free. If you are a victim of police brutality, file a lawsuit, but we recommend you move out of your city after your lawsuit case is over, because if you say something against the city strikes back trying to frame you. Keep the hope alive and we will overcome this conflict in no time. And remember, the only good is knowledge, and the only evil is ignorance. So don't ignore this message. End of transmission.